Well, since I finally got lights again, figured we'd take the car out. Yeah, I got brake lights. Looks like I got to fix the trailing lights up front. Those are probably just bulbs. I know I had one out before, but man, listen to this exhaust now that the packing is starting to wear down a little bit. Yeah, I keep saying I wanted to do something to it to get it to sound like it used to sound, but I'm gonna leave it. You can actually feel the vibration in the ground, and the further away you get from it, yeah, it's there. But surprisingly, because of the thickness of that 2.5-inch aluminized tubing, there's not much of a drone inside. I mean, if you step on it, you can hear it, but it's definitely not this loud inside, surprisingly.